Hello friends, welcome back to our educational Priyanshu Placement Solution. So friends, in this video we will discuss the today's slot pseudocode question that is asked in Infosys, okay, in morning slot, okay. Before starting this guys, if you have not joined our Telegram channel guys, go and join as soon as possible this channel guys, okay. So let's discuss guys what types of pseudocodes are there. Okay, one by one we will discuss every pseudocode, and guys I am just trying to cover every pseudocode in this video only. Okay, so let's start guys. So yeah, okay, sorry. Hmm. So yes. So guys, the first pseudocode is x equal to 5 and y equal to 3 we have, okay, and a function is given है ना, and this x and y is passed in this function guys, okay. Now let's see guys, we have a x and y and the value is 5 and 3. Clear. Next thing is guys, we have a int z is a variable and z equal to is 2 is given, okay. Now y equal to y mod z, the value of y is nothing but a 3 mod, okay. Z is nothing but a 2 and it will give you the 1, right. So down the y value is 1, and x equal to guys x mod z, 5 mod 2, 5 mod 2 is nothing but again 1 is there guys, 1. And finally we just return x plus y is 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 is your answer, okay. Let's move to next question guys. X equal to 10 is there, okay. Let me change the color for this question. So x equal to 10 is there, okay. And read x, okay, x equal to 10 is there, then I equal to 5 is there guys, I equal to 5 is there, and we have a s equal to 0 is there, okay. And yes, then while j is less than x, the value of x is nothing but a 10 guys, so 10 and like this. Clear. So let's discuss one by one. So s equal to s plus j is nothing but a J is what guys? Okay, J is sorry, here is J, not I. Okay, now J is 5 we have, okay, not a I, we have a J. So J is 5 is guy है ना, is there, and guys we have a S equal to S plus J. S equal to S plus J means 5, okay. S equal to S plus 5. J plus plus J value is 6 guys. Okay, now the condition is checked, 6 is less than 10. Condition is true guys. Okay, and after it again S equal to S plus J, it means 5 plus 6 is there. The value of S is 5 plus 6. Then again guys J plus plus means now the 7 is there. Again condition is true guys, and S equal to S plus J, it means plus 7 is there as well, plus 8 is there as well. And for 9 also guys condition is true, 9 also is there. But guys if the 10, if we do 10, okay, the value of j is 10, then guys the condition is false and it will not execute at that time. Now your final answer is 5 plus 6 11 18 6 और ये ठीक है, you just add all the things, okay, and you will got a answer, okay. This is your answer. Next question is, yes, so next question is this one guys, है ना, and this is a very good question and very easy, okay. And as you can see guys, a plus b plus c is there, we just add 45 plus 13 plus 39 is there, we just add all this thing, and we got guys what we got, 97, right. 87 or yeah, okay, 97 is there. Now let's check the condition guys. If sum equal to 97, yes, condition is true guys. And operator is there, a is not equal to 0, condition true. A not equal to b, condition true. C not equal to 0, condition true. And finally guys all the condition are true, and due to this end block guys we need to true, we need all condition is true, right. So yeah, that's why guys this print statement is executed, it means passed is your output, okay, is your answer, okay. Let's move to next question guys. So yeah, so for this question a b I or j is given guys. For j, now first we check the condition, b is greater than a, yes, condition is true. Why? Because 9 is greater than 6, correct. Now for j equal to a, j equal to a means guys 6 2, b is nothing but a 9. Clear. And I equal to I plus j equal to j plus 1 for and for loop यहाँ पे हो रहेगा. Now guys as you can see I equal to I plus j means guys we have a I is 0 and j is we have a 6, right. So I plus j means the value of I is also 6. Now after it guys j plus plus j value is 7 guys, okay. And again है ना 6 plus 7 plus 8 is there. Clear. If we add this all the thing guys we will got 21, right. But guys if we execute for 9 as well, then guys we got a 30, but 30 is not in the option, right. That's why the output is 21 guys. Clear. this is the answer, you know, and these options are given in the Infosys exam. That's why this answer is 21. Okay, let's move to next question, guys. So yeah, for this question we have a x y and we need to put a one statement in the through these options, and now we need to put one answer in the place of x x x x. Okay, so the program is of factorial is there, guys, and we all know the condition is f equal to f multiply I is there. We all know this condition, guys, because we all know the factorial program, right? Factorial is nothing but a 6 multiply 5 multiply 4 3 2 1, right? So this is a 6 factorial, right? Okay, so that's why, guys, the answer is f equal to f multiply j. Clear? I hope, guys, this question is clear. Very easy question is there, है ना? Let's move to next. So x equal to something, y equal to something is there, enter z. So x we have a 196, y we have a 85, guys. Okay, let's see, y plus 1, y plus 1, guys, y plus equal to 1 means y में 1 plus कर दो, that is 86, and x equal to x minus 10, so 186 is there after minus 10. Z equal to x minus y, x minus y, x minus y, we got, guys, 100. Okay, 100 is our answer. Okay, print z, z is nothing but a 100. Clear? Let's move to next question, guys. So, guys, I am covering all the pseudocode of today's slot, है ना? And guys, before discussing this question, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, guys, please subscribe and don't forget to click bell icon button, guys. Okay, let's see this question. Okay, so yes, so for it have a equal to 0, b equal to 40 is there, while a is less than 20. So, guys, if the value of a is 20, then the condition is false, guys. Then the condition is false, so you can directly print 2020 is your output. Why, guys? Because we have a is 0, we have a 0, right, and b is 40, right? So decrease करते 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 हम a की वैल्यू we need to put a 20, that's why then the condition is false, guys. ठीक है, इसीलिए a की वैल्यू कहाँ तक जाएगी हमारी 20 तक, और b की वैल्यू कहाँ तक जाएगी 20 तक. Why? Because 40 माइनस डिक्रीज होते 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 कहाँ तक जाएगा 20 तक, और 0 इंक्रीज होते होते कहाँ तक जाएगा 20 तक, right? So our answer is 2020. Clear? Let's move to next code. So yeah, so for this code we have a recursion based question is there, guys. Let's see one by one, and I am also telling the shortcut trick of these types of question, how to solve this question in only a 5 second. ओके, मैं बताने वाला हूँ इस चीज को भी कैसे करेंगे. ठीक है, उसके पहले अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो गाइस प्लीज सब्सक्राइब अवर यूट्यूब चैनल, गाइस. ओके, सो लेट्स सी, वी हैव अ int function x and y is there. So yeah, the value of x is 7, guys, and y is nothing but a 8. Clear? Now next thing is, if x is less than y, condition is true. Yes, condition is true, then we just swap the value, and now we just swap means, guys, we just pass. Now the value of x is nothing but a 8 and y is 7, guys. Clear? Next we have a if else if y does not equal to 0, y value is 7, but guys we have, okay, and return x is 8, 8 plus function 8 plus function of x value is nothing but a 8 comma y, it means 6, right? Then again it will call 8 plus function of 8 comma 5, राइट? तो ऐसे करते करते हमारा फंक्शन चलता जाएगा. ठीक है, कब तक चलेगा? जब तक इसकी वैल्यू डज नॉट इक्वल टू 0 ना हो जाए. इट मींस जब इसकी वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगी, देन द दिस इज अ फॉल्स, देन द this condition is false, and in the last we just return the 0, right? So answer is 56, guys. You can try, no issues. And the shortcut trick is, guys, है ना, when we pass the 8 comma something, 8 comma something, okay, 8 comma something, okay, and for example we have a 7, right? When we pass 8 comma 7, and guys, as you can see in this recursion, we not change the x, right? We not change this 8, we just only change the 7. So you can directly check in this option, guys, what is the value that is completely divisible by 8, right? That is 56, है ना? So that's why this you can put your answer directly in a 5 second, guys. ठीक है, 5 सेकंड में आराम से हो जाएगा. बस आपको पता करना है कौन सा वैल्यू कांस्टेंट है और कौन सा वैल्यू वेरीज कर रहेगा. ठीक है, and here also, guys, x plus something is there, that's why the answer is 56. That's why I'm just putting the directly 56. Why? Because it is a constant, and this y values vary again and again, like 5 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, but guys 8 is constant, and this 8 is adding again and again in the solution. That's why, guys, whatever the answer is there है ना, it that is completely divisible by 8, so you can directly put 56. Clear guys? So I hope guys if each and every question is clear to you है ना. If you have any doubt in any question, just comment me. I will try to give you a reply as soon as possible. And if you want to contact me, you can message on admin. And if you want to contact through Telegram guys, you can name. You can directly message on Telegram as well, guys. This one is my personal username, @Priyanshu Nema. So you can directly contact with me as well. No issues, guys. I will try to resolve your query as soon as possible. And if you have query a very urgent, then guys you just do a WhatsApp. Okay, for urgent purpose only you can do a WhatsApp. Else, guys, you just do a Telegram, Instagram, no issues. Okay, and guys just go and follow us on Telegram as well. Okay, and this is all about today's video guys. I hope every question is clear to you. And guys, if you have not joined our Telegram channel, guys, go and join. And if you have not watched the last video, that is I have uploaded yesterday, you can go and check out this video as well. Okay, so it is all about today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And every question समझ में आया होगा, सारे क्वेश्चंस है ना. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट क्यूरी जस्ट कमेंट मी है ना, चैट मी पर्सनल, नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, सो थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो फ्रेंड्स. लेट्स मीट ऑन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. और वीडियो को शेयर करना मत भूलना. चैनल पर चलो सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल भी नहीं भूलना है आपको. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक बेल आइकन बटन एज वेल गाइस. ओके, सो थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो फ्रेंड्स. लेट्स मीट ऑन दी नेक्स्ट वीडियो. ओके.